I think that could be really, really good.
A good buy.
I think
Yeah.
they don't want AMC to run because that's gonna pull GME up right before earnings, and if they have a bad earnings, they can short the shit out of GME.
You need to play
My thought.
Kanye West, can't tell.
All right, boys, welcome. Welcome. We're gonna be doing a Discord live today, just chilling. They wanted to do it, so it sounded fun.
I guess they didn't offer it to all eight.
So you'll be able to hear the Discord voice.
So, what do you guys think about the 70% correction that people are saying?
On what?
On the
Market?
No. Yeah.
It's a Nasdaq. Nasdaq staying up there.
The apes.
I will say, I don't know if anyone's been looking at like the globe, but China looks scary as shit. Like they're defaulting on basically all their government bonds.
Yeah, because their currency they're trying to enforce. What do you mean?
Yeah, no.
I've been talking about this for like so long. Everyone's like, "Nah, Tyler's just a conspiracy theorist." I'm like, "Okay, Cotton, whatever."
No, I've been watching it like really close, and that shit, that looks scary. Like,
People saying the market's bearish. I don't think the market's bearish. The job numbers are really good. Jobs numbers are really good.
And I'm kind of scared that if that continues, then it's probably gonna follow over here.
AMC bear flag underneath monthly. Oof.
GameStop.
Drew that fucking bear flag with a crayon, bro.
Look at that.
Tyler, no.
Look at GameStop.
Yeah, GameStop is
Bros. Look at that weekly touch and then
That is
rejection.
Dude, the lower GameStop goes, that's gonna look so good.
Pin's back at that weekly. This is where you wanted to hold. I think you're gonna break below right now. Strap
Yeah,
in.
100% break below.
But GameStop, go back to like 150 specifically for tomorrow.
Yeah, that was like a couple weeks ago.
And my heart. You're just getting a pullback right now.
I cut my GameStop,
Everything.
call it open when it was.
Dow's getting toasted. Dow's giving all that back they got. It had a really great movement from the jobs numbers. Those jobs are really good. It was like a 10% beat or some shit.
They were awful looking. Fuck.
Jobs numbers are good. What are you talking about?
They were awful. Well, look what.
What do you mean?
the
They
government-
beat expectations. I'm just looking
so-
the Jolt job
they
numbers.
beat it, but they lowered their expectations so much. They're basically like, oh, that dumpster fire looks okay.
I don't. There's only some.
Dude, I don't want to hold pens.
Yeah, no, I might not.
Do you
hold
not
big
agree
gun,
that
but-
the
Oh my
jobs
god,
were
dude.
awful?
Man. Today Wednesday. Wednesday's typically a pullback day too. Just thinking. Up to close pin option after I lost almost 80% and regained it. Morning. What do you think about? I don't know what that stock is. People like, do we buy AMC options now? No way. This is not the time.
No, you gotta buy the dip.
Maybe 45.3. Maybe it tops down there. Maybe it hits 45 flat weekly. And SPY looks horrendous. Horrendous. I'm probably have to close out. I'm probably have to close out the pin and then just reopen it.
Yeah, somebody's
Maybe GameStop put will be better. Almost every earnings
I don't want to close pin, but
they're dumb.
oh, gross. Gross.
Got that adder
Mark.
squeezing.
Your mic's crazy, dog.
Market Watch just came out saying one of the feds are hinting that tapering is going to start this year.
Oh, it 100% will.
Well,
They
that's,
have to.
with that jobs report,
It
people
won't.
thought, yeah, tapering's
won't.
not going to start this year, but now they're hinting that it might.
With Powell,
Well, they have
as long as Powell is in charge, tapering is gonna be postponed for fucking ever.
I agree.
They have to. They're so backed into the corner. Like,
You
they're
think they
fucked.
do? You don't have to though. You think
They're
no?
fucked.
Like when Americans were left overseas, we thought that was bearish, but it wasn't.
No, but like that's different though. Like with them, they literally can't. There's hardly anything else they can do. Like they can't just keep pumping money because they're running out of the bonds to do it with.
If there's anything that I've learned from this market is logic can go out of the window. God, I gotta cut pin. I gotta cut it.
Yeah, I cut it about 2 minutes ago.
It's gonna hit.
You know they can just like create new numbers in the computer, right?
Oh,
They
there's a difference
can
with
never
them.
run
I mean,
out of
they've
money.
been cooking the books, 100%. But there comes a point that like they can't, and especially if inflation keeps going, like in
That's
some areas.
yeah,
I'm
that's
holding
what'll
my
happen.
pen.
Like
I'm holding my pen, Tyler.
what'd you say?
inflation will be crazy.
I'm holding it.
They're backed into a corner. But like they're right in
It's
the
holding that
dumpster
bottom
fire.
really well. Really well.
Yeah, I'm holding it until it doesn't.
It did the same thing yesterday. It yo-yoed, it went hella down and then ripped right back up.
Yeah, I know.
Or it's different today. In my
I did a
opinion.
fall. I did a
In
fall.
my
Market
opinion,
is different today.
market dip. Well, it dipped yesterday too in the opening, but DraftKings was up all day yesterday. Essentially all day. This is the 3-minute chart, so you can see it was up literally all day. Even when Pin dipped, DraftKings was still up, showing that the whole sector was strong. That's the difference between today and yesterday. I still think Pin's undervalued compared to DraftKings. Still say that, but 1 sec. God, some of like their songs are like I don't know how like a band can have such good songs and like such trash songs. Like it's crazy. That's what like Blink-182 is like one of the best, maybe the best band, like top 5 all time. They just have like so much good. It's crazy. Like how do you make like so much good music? Well, actually, I do know how you do that. You make one good song and you're like, okay, well we'll make another good song. But some people make good songs and just terrible other songs. It's crazy. I don't get it. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Play some Blink-182.
I play them a lot, yeah. What's crazy too, like if you think about too, like, as like a band, like they'll replace members and still make a great album. It's the craziest thing in the world. Like what other band does that? Successfully, time and time and time again. It's like it's crazy. I mean, that's the widest music I listen to probably is Blink-182, but
So you like your boy bands?
it's not a boy band.
Bands like that
It's
are
not
easy
a
to,
not a boy
here's
band.
good music.
Whoa.
I think AMC's gonna rip out the week after today's show. What do you think?
Do I think AMC's gonna rip up or down? What are you asking?
I think today they did pretty heavy because they're not gonna fuck with the rest of the week. I think they're trying to kill everybody's calls on Wednesday like they normally do.
Wait, so look at the charts and compare it to every single time GameStop has dipped. I'm almost
Every
positive.
earnings GameStop dipped, so I figured this was gonna happen because they both dipped together on earnings.
Yeah, well, yeah, they have earnings. Yeah, so actually, I think put is going to probably be the better play on GameStop.
Ugh, coffee.
Because like they had decent earnings last time, they still dumped like hell hard.
They ran the day after.
No, they didn't. They dumped. Look at the chart. They continue to dump. They were in like a downtrend for almost like 3 days afterwards.
I don't know. I'm not doing it.
If you start to get a midday bounce back on the Nasdaq, so Nasdaq's about to touch the monthly. That's good. And Pin's bouncing. I don't know how Pin is bouncing on this craziness. God bless America. If we bounce on the monthly, this is really good. Because the Pin will bounce back strong.
There it goes. Trying to.
It's trying hard.
Hopefully it doesn't fall right through.
Yeah, it's looking like it might fall through. But if you hold below it, I can't hold anything. I have to just chill. Oh man, it's dropping. Whoa. You need to bounce. It's not getting nothing. Pin will follow if this continues. Please take me.
The ROP on AMC just went up.
Their last earnings was on July 9th, which is 8/9, correct?
Here.
July is 8, the 8, or no.
GME or game? What are you talking about?
August
GME?
is 8.
The last earnings
Or
were.
no.
The last earnings were July 9th, which is. Let's use our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
9.
It's what?
It's 6/9.
6/9.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Six nine. Look. Oh, actually.
July is 7.
You dumped. You dumped. Well, you pumped a little bit and then you dumped the rest of that week. Yeah, you pumped up and then you dumped because it happened on a Friday. So. Someone goes in the chat. I might go light up after this morning. Am I right? Oh man, Nasdaq's getting hammered. If you're looking at the stream in Discord, and that's your last line of defense, like 15.55. If you don't hold that, dippy, chippy. Bitcoin's getting hammered. It'll probably make a comeback. It'll take a week though. I think it dips over the weekend. I wouldn't touch it. How's Dow doing? It's getting ripped. It was doing really good with jobs numbers, and then that faded quick.
You see, like it was like 2.5 billion in Bitcoin.
Yeah, it was
in
bad.
like 2 minutes. Oh, imagine being leveraged in Bitcoin during that dip.
How is Walmart going up if the Dow?
I know. I was just thinking that now Walmart calls are the only thing that are.
I told y'all. Remember we talked about economic moats in the stocks. Remember?
Yep.
Those are safety plays. Yeah, Coke is a good example. Walmart's another good example. Energy typically is a good example, but there's a lot of energy stuff going on right now.
Walmart's holding it down right now.
Yep, we needed to run up.
I'm up.
These pen losses.
Like let's look at Coke. Like Coke is pumping. Look at Coke pump.
Is the economic moat, did you learn that from your teacher?
I learned it in college, and it's also in the Intelligent Investor too.
You want to college?
Yeah, I was wondering. If
But you learn like random
college for us for.
I buy pen toilet.
Yeah, pin toilet. I think I have to get out. It's gonna touch a weekly 82.5. But the question is, does it bounce today? My E-Trade screwing me. I gotta transfer my money to a different account. Honestly, what I should do is.
It's still frozen?
No, the good faith is a 90-day punishment. So if you're actively trading all your money, so it's like you have to wait for your funds to settle.
Is this your like third offense or second offense?
Dude, it's like my 20th offense. I'm bad with the rules. No means yes, and yes means way more.
Bro, call them and be like, "Do you know who fuck I am?"
I've already done that actually. I've pulled up all my commissions to them. I'm like, look, I'm not even requesting you to produce my commissions. Just let me give y'all more money. It's all massive.
No, what you do is you say I have 27,000 subscribers on YouTube alone, and I will tell everybody that you guys are fucking treating me
They
like shit.
I remember one time like I had one of their workers on stream and they got really. I got a call back like 3 days later. They got really upset. Like, it's in our term you can't record us. I'm like, well, theoretically I wasn't recording you. I was streaming you. Totally different.
What the hell? They can record you.
And then I was like, and you gave me financial advice because you told your guy said he was invested into ETFs.
Yeah, that's
And
crazy.
then,
They
and then
record
he,
all-
and then he didn't comment. He was like, well, if we can just agree to just remove the video. And I was like, it's a hot.
Not gonna happen.
It's like it's a hot video.
It's funny. I had a conversation this morning with Fidelity, and they gave me the SEC excuse about that. This is my first offense with the day trade thing.
Pin's not even dropping that hard, but
Nah, I'm buying more. Vegas, baby.
man, what shows? I know a lot of people here have to like Blink-182. Best album.
Scalping Rocket
The
Ladder.
Take off
one
your
with the
penis and
rubber
jacket is their
gloves.
best album.
The chick with
Wait,
the
wait,
rubber gloves.
I think that's one I'm listening. Yeah, take off your pants and jacket. Yeah, it's the best one. It's the best one. Yeah, I agree.
Yep.
Okay,
Which
I was
is
making.
the
I was making.
one with the chick
No,
with the
no.
rubber gloves.
No, that's Enema of the State. I knew that. I don't know why I had to look at that. The one with the take off your pants and jacket is the black label with the three dots.
This can end up being a double bottom on the Nasdaq.
Triple. Hey,
yeah,
as
triple
Trey would
bottom.
say, baby, get the quad touchy. Hey,
Buy calls.
except we don't want it to go through. We want it to bounce up.
I
Calls
don't
on
see
the
it going
spot.
through. I just don't see that happening.
AMC, that's so. And it's like I feel bad for people that are charting it because
Dude,
I.
Pin's bouncing right now, dude.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Why do you feel bad for people who are charging?
Because like I don't think people are wrong. Like that's what I'm saying. So, but I don't think you're taking everything into account. That's the problem, I think. So like I think like if you look at AMC's chart, there's no reason to be bearish on it. You know what I mean? There's no reason to even like. So like if this was 4 months ago and I had it, I wouldn't have sold any of my options. I would have held them all. I would have held every single one. But I think now you're in a state of trading it to where it's like you know that there's about a 60 to 70% possibility that some really shady stuff's gonna happen, even when you look phenomenal. You know what I mean? Like today, there's no reason to get rejected. There's zero reason. But it's also come to the fact that, and if you don't agree with this, I think you're just kind of like living in La La Land. But hedge funds are making tons of money off of this now. Tons of money. I think
Which
that
ones?
I think the big ones primarily that have the money to do it.
The ones that shorted it?
Yeah, I know. I think
You think Citadel's making money on
I think they're making money on AMC on the option side of it. I think
So
they're making.
You think they're
I think
positive?
I think no,
on AMC?
no, it's not. Now, Jay, come on, relax. Don't put words in my mouth.
All right.
Okay,
Well, I'm clarifying.
okay, but
what you're saying for
who's
everybody else.
who do you think right now for playing? Who do you think is moving the stock primarily? Do you think it's shorters getting out of positions, or would you say that you think it's some of the smaller hedge funds getting out of positions, and you think it's the bigger hedge funds manipulating the movement as well?
It's shorts covering, and then bigger hedge funds keeping the stock down until they're ready for it to go.
Okay, so you know, no, time out.
This
This is a good conversation. This is a good conversation.
Citadel's-
So I don't want to change the subject.
Citadel's
There's
such a-
also a
One
lot
second.
of
Let
funds
Jay
that are
let Jay finish because this is a good conversation
Citadel-
for the stream actually.
Citadel is such a large part of the market. Such a large part. They're not just gonna let them completely collapse out of nowhere. They've got to like have a plan, or it's gonna fuck everything up. Like you're gonna destroy people's 401ks, their pensions, everything else. Like more than they already have been.
Okay, so
it's a big deal.
So I don't think you really addressed mine. So do you think do you think this? I'm just curious. This is just a good topic for I want to talk about.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter about like this affecting the stock or who cares what we think.
Yeah.
So, but I'm asking, do you think it's more likely that it's just shorts covering positions, moving the stock up, that alone, or do you think that it's shorts covering positions and then bigger funds manipulating the stock to push it up and make money on that, and then they push the stock back down? Like
I'm going with the latter.
Which
I think it's the hedge funds that are giving you your
I-
monthly pump to
I
keep
think-
the IV high. So that
I
they
think
can
I think
take off the
originally,
price of help.
I think originally in June and whatever the fuck into May, it was not the second one. I think now when they came to the realization, they were like, okay, we saw what happened with GameStop. We're not going to cover our positions. Like you've seen we've seen them. Like it's like just clear as their persona, their motives are clear. Like it's as clear as it could be. If you watch TV and just see how they talk in their interviews, they're not going to cover. They don't want to. The big ones aren't, and they have a lot of money to not do so, in my opinion. Right now, maybe they covered some way back when we went to 70, whatever. Now, as you look at the price action, I think it's clear. I think it's what would cause you to be pushing up right now? Because I don't think the inflow of buying is that high anymore.
Well, they route our orders. So like when we buy, like majority of our orders aren't going to the lit exchanges. They're being routed for
I agree.
weeks
I agree.
to
I
the
agree.
dark pool. So
I can agree to
you
that.
know this stock is completely traded by an algorithm. We do not
I agree.
affect it.
I agree. I agree.
They like when they say go, it goes.
Okay,
Like,
so
I've been saying this from the
time out. So that you're agreeing then with the latter that I said that they're manipulating it.
Yes,
So when they say
I've
go,
always
so
said
so
this.
but when you come back to it, when you're saying when they say go, that they're making money most likely since if they can which this is all theoreticals, right? So if they can theoretically control when they say go, then they know when to take money on those options, correct? Because you're also seeing the open interest fall dramatically, which I don't believe open interest dropping on most of these positions on the call options. I don't think it's retail because I've talked to retail and most of these fucks never. They think holding options is the way to like a gladiator's death or some shit. It's crazy. So I don't. Yeah. So it's just like whatever. Cool. Like whatever. So I think I'm not saying you can't. I'm not saying not what I'm saying at all. Not what I'm saying at all. But what I am saying is like you have to take into account that I do think hedge funds are making money off this, and I think that they're the ones primarily moving this now.
Now I agree that fucking like hedge funds like Vanguard and BlackRock and people like them are making money, but as far as Citadel, I think Citadel's way fucking deep in the hole. I think back in January, like they got caught off guard.
Yes,
And that's
agree,
why they had
agree.
to shut the buying off. And
Agree.
over these last couple of months, they've been doing everything possible to figure out how to unwind this thing without causing complete chaos.
I can agree to a large extent to that. What I'm saying is what they're doing now with until you get a major move up, my opinion, I think that they're just slowly chipping away at those losses right now.
I think though, if we break this like 48, this has got to be a huge level, dude. Right?
It should have been. It should have been. No doubt.
I still think it
I
is.
see
I still
no
think it
logical
is. I
reason
think
why.
that's why they're shorting the shit out of it.
There was no reason to get.
There was no reason.
I just joined in. I don't
No,
know
you
what,
can
but
get yeah.
Today was fucking retarded, yo. I don't know if everyone else.
Yeah.
is in agreement
100%,
with that, but
100%, yeah.
There's no reason we should have been. Stopped.
When I saw you trending at 49, I sold my options basically instantly. I was like, ah, dude, here we go again.
We broke the 120 too. Like,
Yeah, I sold shortly after Rogan ended up calling that out, and then I saw it start going back up. I was like, oh shit, man.
Again, it's not to be a gay bear or whatever. It's just like.
no, I know.
But like having
I
these
like having
but having these having these conversations, having this conversation like helped y'all to learn to take profits. So you know what I mean. So.
Or cut losers.
Yeah, who's not holding that
I'm not worried about Penn. Look. Here's what I'm saying. This is like the most retarded, bullish market that we'll probably ever see in our entire lives.
And Nasdaq is fine.
There's absolutely no common sense. There's no fundamentals. I do not see Penn staying down at these levels. I don't.
That's the energy we need here, boys.
I have next week's expiration, but I can average down so much that I don't even care. Like, I believe in this trade so much.
Penn is recovering. Is it 90%
Yeah.
now, those ones
Not big of a
Well,
drop
also,
today. Like
didn't
nothing.
the Dow and Nasdaq take a dump?
Yeah,
The
I mean, my
massive
whole
dump?
portfolio is red now.
No, the
Yeah,
Nasdaq is at Nasdaq is
all
just
that,
it's
right?
at the bottom. It's
I'm
fine.
about to fall back underneath 25,000, which is really depressing. And I want to cry.
I'll tell you what to
Did
do right
you
now.
say you lost 125,000?
No, he's about to be under 25,000. Well, this is what you do. Whoever said that, you get it.
Oh.
You're gonna get all your money, and you're gonna throw it all on AMC, baby. We're going all on red. Okay.
I mean, you're not wrong, bro. It's gonna get a bounce. Like,
I'm
that's
not
why
gonna lie,
I'm
for the
negative.
last couple of weeks, I've kind of fallen back into my depressed hole where I hate life. So I'm pretty much back where I was when I went into it. Where I'm just like, fuck life, I'll just go all in.
Hey yo, we just gotta make a lot of money on a big play again.
Ken is recovering.
Because it's
Yo,
strong.
so listen to this.
Like,
This morning
legit,
on
I
that
don't
pump,
even
Tyler.
I just laid in bed last night, like contemplating why I'm even existing.
There you go. What were you saying, Jay? Jay, what were you
That's when
saying?
you smoke a blunt and masturbate.
There
I
you go.
said when we got that pump this morning, I fucking sold. I was up a G. And
Yeah, there's no
then
reason you don't sell.
I should have had 2 day trades, but because of the holiday, I don't have my next day trade till tomorrow, so I started buying back 70s.
Dude, those things pumped up. The
I'm
50s
negative
for
2 grand
this
right now.
week's fucking strike, yo. They pumped up.
But
so
we're gonna
Yeah, I
bounce,
told you.
dude.
Yeah, I know.
fucking way. We bounced back.
Obliterated.
Yeah, I
yo.
know.
I had the.
I have
what is
55s,
this? I have
bro.
September
I bought that
1765. Then I had the 50s for this week.
Yeah.
Holy shit, yo! The 50s got to be almost $300.
That's what I was. That's what I was
65s
saying.
only,
Like,
below 200.
that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
cut all
Oh
the
my god.
65s
One sec.
yesterday.
That's
Sorry,
all. That's what I was saying in the Discord though.
Oh, I
I'm not
think
even
the
gonna.
one right at the end.
I'm not even gonna fuck around and tell you guys when to sell or anything. Or I tell you only when I sell. First of all, but like, make your own damn decision on AMC. Like, if you're up 90, 200%, if you don't sell, like, you're just an idiot. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm sorry if that offends anyone, but it's just like dumb. Like, why? I see like.
Nah, I already told the Discord like a week ago. I think I was like, everyone needs to not rely on Tyler for exits. The man has amazing entries, but like we are always gonna find out a little late anyway.
Yeah.
You might as well just start learning the chart yourself. Because I'm gonna be honest, you have phenomenal fucking entries, yo. But I do not.
That's
I
what
like.
she said.
I was for like a week
That's
or
what she
two.
said.
I was just like, oh, Tyler's still in the play. It's fucking fine. It's chill. It was not chill. And then bag, but I mean, fuck it.
But yeah, and Mr. Henry, those 65s, dude. We were out of those Tuesday.
Oh,
I knew that they
65?
were-
No, I
yeah,
just got
we
it.
were-
I got one yesterday, and then I also hopped in the 50s.
I mean, they were like 190 something this morning. I think again, but they're
I
like-
dead,
I like-
bro.
No, they were way
They're
higher
dead.
than
I
that,
like
yo.
it.
You like it? So the only thing I hate the MACD. I hate that stupid indicator. But I will say right now, it is so reliable on pin. Holy crap! If you look at the chart on pin, dude, it's the most reliable indicator that there is.
It's reliable on a lot
I'm
of
down
stocks.
like 22% on these pen calls now.
I'm down way more. I could care less.
I know
so.
you hate
Oh,
it.
dude,
but
this thing. No. Ooh. Yeah.
That's and then the 1 hour is nasty on pin right now.
Yeah, that shit just dropped 30 cents from when I said I liked it.
The Dow is
I'm a
Dow's getting
I'm a change
ripped.
man.
The Nasdaq is just it's sitting here at support. If
It's
you're looking,
actually
if you're looking at the
holding.
stream,
It's holding.
if you're looking at the stream, Nasdaq's trying bad.
GSA's going ballistic.
Yo, just letting everyone know, PLX has an event tomorrow that determines the date of an approval they got going on, or like a test. And I'm pretty sure this thing is gonna blow. So I got some November contracts.
For what?
PLX?
They're 40, yeah, PLX. They're therapeutics. I got the October 15 2 strike, and then I also have the November 19 2 strike. They're all matted. They're very cheap, like 40 cents for the November and then 30 cents for the October 15. The date's gonna be in October. They're just picking a date tomorrow. Oh, and Morgan Stanley owns 4% of the company.
Yeah, I guess we were going down to 82.5 on
That's
pin.
wild. I told you, yeah, you're going to the weekly.
Tyler, you think Spike's
Yeah.
dropping?
Anybody about Pfizer on those?
I think it'll start bouncing soon. I think. I don't know. It's hard to say.
I agree. I think so too.
Nasdaq is
Or
at
Marty,
major
like-
support. Nasdaq is what I'm watching. If you look at my,
Marty's
if
starting to
you've
average
been
now.
watching my stream, I'm streaming in Discord too, so you get live, whatever. But it's right at support.
think Pin a little bit more. Still hasn't touched the bottom of the chip.
It's gonna hit the weekly, I think. So I don't know what people always say. Like people always like, oh, this is why I got the January leaps and stuff. I'm like, why? Like what? Why? I don't get it. Like, so if you move up like $5 on AMC for a January leap, like, what do you make? Like 30%? Like, what am I gonna do with that? Wipe my ass crack? I might as well just buy the stock. I don't get that. Like personally, like, have conviction, buy it. You know, a month out maybe, right? Then you make your 100%. You get out. It's super easy. Like all these every one of these pumps.
It's okay for people who don't know. Like
yeah, if you don't know, okay. So if you don't know, yeah. But if you don't know, then don't buy options. You know what I mean? That's a more powerful statement.
Well, $500.
That's what I'm saying. There's no option on AMC that's worth that much to me.
Because
that's so risky.
That today.
That is so risky.
Like you can't buy leaves on AMC.
Oh, Nasdaq getting toasted. Oh.
Hey, don't listen to these guys. Or you can easily buy leaves.
Okay.
I made fucking a shit ton of money off of leaves.
If
do you?
It's very safe. It's okay.
You bought them at first, holy.
Then it just melted through the weekly.
Yep.
I had leaves before the big pump.
What?
Yeah. And with the leaps, you can hold on to them. It's not like September 17th.
Yeah, they're very safe.
Fucking Nasdaq.
I wouldn't buy a
You
leaf.
got AMC anything like 2 months or further. That's when you stop getting that.
Tyler's too of an experienced of a trader to like just hold leads. That's what.
Wow, man, those pen courses fucking fucked me.
What's the next level for pen?
This is it. Yeah, the monthly down there, but
gross.
DKNG still looks.
That's gonna go into like 82. I'm holding it. I'm already too deep.
81.
Everything in my watch was just steady downtrending. It's just going flat.
When we have a day like this, we usually get like a massive green day like the next day.
Science.
Yeah, does anybody still have Pfizer? Just saw a little pump. I didn't even see that.
Did it pump? Did it? I didn't even see.
You got a little pump.
Look where it did. It bounced right off the monthly.
Somebody said it like
Clockwork.
You gotta go.
It's
fast,
Moderna.
man. Yep.
Nice, man.
Apple gave everything up.
All the
Oh, I have Apple Pulse. I feel it.
Target's really nice too.
It's like that every week with Apple though. If you look at Apple every Monday or Tuesday, there's a big pump and then the rest of the week just gives up everything.
Not really. It pumped end of last week.
This is so fucking gross. What in the fuck? Like 10 is about to hit 81, like 81.7.
I'm gonna start laddering the calls on that. Big up the middle.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I lost a lot on pen the other day, so I'm
about to buy more pens.
pretty hyped.
Yo,
Yeah,
be
I'm pretty
careful.
hyped to get a new pen.
You're saying you're buying more, Tyler?
Yeah.
Penn really
I'm
needs
with
to
you.
hold 81.91.
Yeah, Penn's gotta chill with this fucking massive red can.
If it does not hold here, it's got a wild.
If it does not hold here, it's gonna be a really long Vegas trip. It's gonna be a rough.
I told you, bro. You staying off the strip now.
Nah, bro, we already bought, baby. We
We're
already
living
bought,
in the
baby.
circus.
I'm on that Grey Goose, baby. That's the best. That's one of the best lines of all
For you,
time.
my man.
We're gonna be hanging out with the homeless people if 10 breaks this level.
It's like we're going to the $25.
We're gonna be streetwalkers.
Make some of your money back.
We're gonna be the hookers.
Make some of that money back.
You're gonna be eating sandwiches in the room.
Hey, don't talk crap about those sandwiches in the room. Okay. Okay, I bought more. I bought 73 more pen contracts for the 90s.
Oh.
Cause I'm a madman. I think I just doubled down.
What's the expiry? What's the expiry on that?
I don't want to talk about it. It's next week. Rogan's right though. You've been getting really strong bounces on this stuff every time, which might not be good logic, but it's a good enough logic for me.
Hey, what do we say about logic here? What is it good for?
Nothing.
Did I enter?
AMC.
Like, what's going on? God, get
Yeah,
in.
actually, it's
Figuring
only good
out
for
where
AMC.
AMC and GME are going.
There we go. We're in, baby. We're all in. Well, not all in, but like, you know what I mean.
God damn, PFE is going bananas.
I bought
Oh,
some
yeah.
cat calls.
Holy shit.
Dude, pins like
Wow,
just keeps
it was
bouncing. Oh
covered,
my
yo.
god.
That's crazy.
What time is it? 10 o'clock, bro. We're gonna come back from lunch. We got our Wall Street buddies down there. I'm gonna call them up. I'm gonna give them a little page. Beep, 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 beep. Tell them, like, look,
Dude,
it's
Pfizer
time.
is so flipping random. Like,
Dude, it's really not though. If you just look at it, just touches the monthly, bounces back up to the weekly. It's like,
alright, yeah, I'm on Weevil. I haven't been looking at
it's crazy.
It's starting to come back. Damn it.
What did you lower your average to, Tyler? Like 125?
I haven't even got in yet, Rogan, because it keeps
What?
rising as I'm trying to buy it. It keeps going up.
I just bought. I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a. Oh, I'm about to buy it at 90 cents.
I got average cost at 140 right now.
I have insufficient funds. Cocksucker. There, bottom. Did I get in? Oh my god. There we go. I got in. Thank God. Watch it dip now. Bro, guys, it's lunchtime. Like, go get a little, $5 foot long. You know, we're on a budget today. Personally, in high school, I was a big meatball and marinara guy. That chicken breast is not actual chicken breast. I will tell you that right now.
Yeah,
That's a horse foot.
If pin don't go up, you might want to look
Need
at the
to
dollar
know.
menu.
Someone that worked at every sandwich shop, Subway is the least fresh of all of them.
Tyler,
Yo, you know what slaps? Jersey Mike's. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Hey, bro.
And they always have a great attitude.
You know what slapped before Jersey Mike's? Quiznos.
Quiznos was actually dude, that flatbread, bro. That flatbread.
not that I know.
Quiznos with that flatbread.
I know Jersey Mike's is better than Quiznos.
I would have to. It is, but Quiznos was cheaper. You know what I mean? For people on a budget.
Well, it was also 10 years ago.
Firehouse for the win. Firehouse.
I mean,
when Quiznos
they were the
was
ones
open.
that toast their shit, right? They're the first.
Firehouse is good.
That's why they were cheaper, Tyler. It was 10 years ago.
Look, I'm just telling you. Man, dude, Blink-182. It's like you just play you just can go through their discography. Probably pronounced that wrong right now. Anyways, and honestly, it's just good song after good song after good song. Don't really like Green Day. I don't like Green Day too much.
Did you ever play Can't Tell Me Nothing?
Yeah, I love Green
I'm
Day.
not really in like a rap mood today. I'll play in a sec.
Eyeliner mood.
Tyler, put on some
eyeliner.
It's for the apes in the chat.
Can you listen to some Five Finger Death Punch?
I do not like. There was this kid. There's this kid in high school. I'm a really big troll. I've always been a really big troll. And in high school, up until junior year, I was really skinny.
Tyler just admitted to being a bully.
I was super small. No, I couldn't have been a bully because I was so small. So I would always just joke around. Like, football practice, we're dying, sweating, can't breathe. I'm just like, can we keep running? You're like just trolling 24/7. And I only started working out because my coaches said that I had to, or they were gonna kick me off. And I was like, fuck this, I quit. And I was like, okay, I'll work out.
Skinny?
Yeah, I was skinny.
Like
I was. My arms were tiny, my legs were tiny.
Dude, I want to see a picture of you skinny.
Yeah, yo, holy
I can't
shit. I
even
always thought
imagine what
you were
you
just
look like, bro.
And
I
then-
need to see that.
And then yeah.
I had a comment about the legs, but I'll keep it to myself.
Now, like my calves are still like naturally my legs and my arms are really skinny, and then no calves are genetic. Yeah, my dad has tiny legs too. It's hilarious.
Are they gonna fucking smack us?
We know pins going up, Swim Mom. We know. We run the stock. We run this stuff.
Yeah.
It literally started. It literally dumped as we all said that. It's pretty funny. It dropped like 20 cents. Swim mom's like, it's dumping right now. Shit. Ah, shit. She's like, I'm about to go back out to this pool.
I'm never gonna
But anyways, there's this kid listening to Five Finger Death Punch, and he was trash at football. So bad. He was so bad. Like terrible. Anyways, so I'd always.
We're not gonna financially recover from this.
But he always listened to Five Finger Death Punch, so I was like, I can't listen to it. It's bad juju.
What about Insane Clown Posse?
What? I don't listen like a heavy anything. We listen. I actually used to like Slipknot
No,
for a
they're
while.
hip hop, dude. No, it's hip hop, bro.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh my god, dude, that one song about like swimming in the clouds and like all, I don't even know, dude. It's literally the worst song I've ever heard in my entire life. I thought it was a joke.
What song is it? Who's it?
ICP sucks.
It's ice and it's an ICP song.
No, the worst song ever, I think it's like the East or something. The one where it's just like the whole fucking song is I'm sending out in this show. I'm sending out in this show. It's like 4 minutes of just I'm sending out in this show.
Nasdaq balancing. There we go, baby.
And so the slide.
When's the swim merch release?
I like Flatbush Zombies. They used to be really good.
Yeah.
I got invited to go to a concert. I didn't go. That was like one of my biggest mistakes. Not going to that was like one of the craziest concerts too. I heard.
They got one really good song. It's about like tripping on acid or whatever.
All their good music on SoundCloud though.
Orange Juice, the music
Do
videos.
They're like what?
The Black Keys?
They're okay. I think they get a lot of hate for no reason. I think they're okay. They're not bad.
The singer Dan Arbach, he's got some solo albums that are really good too.
Oh, you know who's really good? Chris Cornell, man. Super sad that he died. My friend had tickets to his last concert, like 2 days before he died in Houston. Really sad.
Damn.
Oh, that guy was a badass, man. I like that.
Chris Cornell was good. He's good. His solo stuff was good too.
The conspiracies around how he died.
Yeah, I know, cause he was like exposing. He was exposing a lot of the child like predators and stuff. Really crazy.
And then Chester Bennington.
Yep,
John
him too.
Podesta.
Yep. Really crazy. Soundgarden's good too.
Did your brother tell you this shit, Tyler?
Man, no, he didn't actually. It was my other friend. My good friend Roy, he loves Chris Cornell. He's the one who put me on him in early high school. I mean, I listened to like some of the other songs, but like, I didn't know about his single stuff. My friend, he also went to Mac Miller's last concert. It was a private Spotify party, so it was like at a bar. There was like only like 100 people there, and he went to that.
Awesome.
And so his brother like I guess was chilling at like the back of the bar or something. We were talking about this like the other day, and apparently so he was sitting there like he was flirting with like this bartender. She was hot or something. Anyways, so the show ends and like he's like chilling in the back. Everyone like left, and then Mac Miller came up and he got the girl because like that was his girlfriend at the time as the bartender. That's pretty funny. I was like, bro, you tried to pull Mac's girl. He gonna haunt you forever. I blame Ariana for Mac. I'm just saying. I blame Ariana.
I love Mac, dude.
It's all her fault.
Oh, so I blame Pete Davidson.
No. Those beady little eyes.
No. Pete Davidson sent nudes of like Ariana like sucking his dick to Mac.
Oh my god. Pete's a troll. Pete's like the biggest troll.
I know, but imagine like how that probably affected him, like his headspace.
The cocaine.
I'm telling you, I love Penn. I love it. What's DraftKings doing? If you want to feel better about it, it's like I love gold. I can't say that. I love. Caesars. Look at Caesars. A perfect weekly touch. Because I'm telling you, gambling stocks. Is it a coincidence we're going to Vegas and we're in gambling? I don't know.
The stars have aligned.
I should have only bought Caesars, and I should have stayed at Caesars. Huh?
Did you check into your flight?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
How does Apple look like it's gonna recover, Tyler?
I don't know. I don't like.
Where are you guys flying?
Okay.
Well, Apple hasn't
Oh, Southwest.
No, I said when.
Tomorrow I'm flying at 7 a.m. I get there at
If you
7
were
a.m.
flying on the 11th.
Oh
no,
no,
Tyler, you're flying at 6 a.m. Aren't you?
Nah, no, I don't know what time actually.
I
Yeah,
guess
you're
nobody
flying at 6,
flies
bro.
on the 11th.
Dude,
It's like the best day to fly.
This is a weird coincidence. My first out-of-state flight, I flew on 9/11, and I'm also flying on 9/11 again this weekend. Like 3 out of the 4 times I've flown out of state, or 2 of the 4 times I've flown out of state were on 9/11.
Yeah. I wonder if I gotta confirm. I wonder if I gotta confirm all of theirs. But I bought their tickets with mine. I shouldn't have to confirm all of theirs.
No, it's just the one order you have. You check in with all the tickets, but you got to send the boarding passes to them because they have to scan them.
He's gonna get so mad.
You're gonna be like C38.
Josh kind of gets paranoid about everything. My brother.
Is he your older brother? How old is he?
He's 8 years older than me. He only looks like 28 though. So me and him I think are the most alike out of all of us. But he's just missing the douchebag body. You just look at me like I get the douche. But I think I'm actually a really nice person deep down inside. Deep.
Y'all gonna see any shows or just gamble?
Oh, I gotta wear a mask. Okay.
We're going to the gun show.
You have to get a COVID test before getting to play.
No,
it's Vegas. I don't give a fuck.
Do I have to print these out? Do you have to print them out? Can you use your phone?
No, you can put them in your Apple Wallet.
Yeah.
Put them in your Apple Wallet.
Oh.
Load up on the liquor. They don't sell liquor on the plane, so get the little nips.
That's cool. Look at this science. We're in Group B too, so we're gonna.
We should get 3-ounce bottles of like.
God, 6'10". That is so early. Oh my God.
The nips.
All Josh said. Josh said. What he say? He goes. First thing we're doing, baby's taking me a wake me up. Josh is funny. Josh is funny.
Dude, we need to get the little like shots. You know, we can buy like the little pre-shots and the little tiny bottles and put them in like little mouthwash containers and then take them on the plane.
I'm gonna be slapping him if they start taking stuff.
Start drinking it like it's mouthwash.
If they start taking crap from and using stuff in the rooms, I'm gonna be slapping them upside the head. I'm like, y'all better chill out. I've already spent like $3 grand in this stupid crap. Fuck off.
Yeah, they load that shit with like all that enticing bullshit.
I already do. Me and Josh have very low self-control.
Well, we're not going to the grocery stores, so like.
No, there's a couple liquor stores on the way from the airport. Just tell your Uber driver to take you to a liquor store. You're good.
Let's go, baby. 83 pin.
Hey, yo, I got some fire I can FedEx to the hotel room.
Big dick.
Fish scales, boy. Fire.
Oh yeah, they're cocaine guy. They're like.
The fish scales.
Yo, Jay Styles, what up?
Jay Styles, this is for you, baby. Hey, Jay, we're playing a song for you, baby. Okay.
Alrighty.
Where you at?
Everything nowadays went from fish scales to baby powder.
Wait, Jay, what's that bottom?
I'm gonna mute the Discord.
Like,
I'm gonna mute
very bottom yellow one. The MA that you have, that yellow one, that it like always bounces off of and kind of teases the 60 right there.
Taliban painted over George Floyd mural in Kabul. Is this going too far?
There's a George Floyd mural.
Oh my God, what kind of fucking idiot,
Bro. Whoa.
I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying
The Taliban really needs to be. They need to get with it and get woke.
I guess the money should have changed them. I guess I should have forgot where I came from.
I'm just blown away that there's a fucking George Floyd mural in Kabul.
Are you really though?
Yeah, I
thought it was just
Hey, are you guys watching BBIG slowly creep up?
Yeah.
Look at that V-shaped recovery, Tyler. Look at that V. We love the V. We love the V, Tyler. So look at that V-shaped recovery. We love the V.
AMC's recovering.
Yeah. We on creep mode. We creeping.
AMC inbound at the 60, guys. It's coming back up.
Oh, good stuff.
That was the bottom.
That
That 45.73.
V-shaped recoveries. Pfizer did really well though. That was a nice candle. Yeah. What's your average cost get down to? Nice.
Dollar what?
Damn.
I'm $1.40 right now.
$1.20.
But I only have 40 contracts or 60 contracts. So
I doubled in so hard. Oh my god. Very scary. But it's alright. Pin, slow grindy to the tappy. We get one more of those IV pumps, baby. We're set. 87.5 loading.
What is your average, Tyler?
It's like 8. It's like 1.3.
Yeah, that's what I have. 1.
It should be lower. Because I tried to buy. I could have gotten like 84 cents, but it just kept going up.
Yeah, I know. I tried that too.
That 742 touch is coming on Tesla soon.
Tesla. You crazy. Y'all trading Tesla. Oh, wild. No, you're going to come down to like 740. But you might gap fill too. Yeah, I think you gap fill down to 734.
That's the zone.
You're in a zone of weakness?
Well, I got a.
Sorry, I had
there's
to.
a zone of like 740 to 742.
That tweet was so funny.
when he starts talking about zones and shit, I feel like I'm looking at like a physics problem.
AMC out here collecting
You gotta solve for
option
velocity
holders
on AMC.
That shit's so funny. I was waiting for someone to get mad. AMC out here collecting option holder souls, bro. Everyone out here holding their options.
Some people already don't have them, man.
They're like,
That's why they're hot.
They're like, man, I'm only down like 90%. What could get
They're
worse?
like, yeah, dude, I bought January leaps at $72. I'm just holding. It's gonna come back. It's gonna squeeze.
Which one?
No, just like dudes who bought at the top in fucking January or June and are still holding the bag.
They're like,
never sold.
They're like, man, I did some number crunching. We got that. We got this. The trend is going. I got 3 fractals lining up. We're gonna buy 3-year out. We're gonna buy 3-year out leaps. They only cost $12,000 a piece. I think this is a good play. We're gonna crush the hedgies. All right, Cotton. Relax.
Then I'm gonna execute them.
Isn't today like
oh,
August
Target.
30th?
Holy crap. Look at Target.
What is it doing?
Target's beautiful,
Dude.
boys. Target's beautiful. Beautiful, best chart on the market right now. It's
Oh.
pin yesterday. It's pin yes. So if you're in here, I'll tell you what I'll tell you. I'm locked into pin right now, so I can't. Oh,
What would you get on Target?
I'm gonna tell you, Swim Mama. I'm gonna tell you. Hold your horses.
September 17th.
Yeah, September 17th for sure. 250s for sure. I already know. Yeah, the opening is gonna be too high. Straight money. So what you're looking for is if you push back below 243.9 and hold below there for like 15 minutes, then you exit and cut him. You're fine. But right now you're sitting right above the weekly.
So I get which calls do I get? Target.
I like the 250s on Target for next week, 17th.
Yep, I just got some.
I'm telling you, these are hot commodity. This is flaming hot pizza. You know what I'm talking about? You one bite, you know the rules.
250s for next week. Okay.
They're
I'm
hot.
getting them.
They're hot.
They're like 94 cents.
I'm
That's
watching
cheap.
the volume just fucking flow in right now. This
I'm
is
telling you.
Mom, did you
hilarious.
look at the chart at all?
What?
Yeah, did you look at the chart?
Did you look at the chart at all, or did you just go straight to the option chain?
No, I do. No, I have the chart up of Target. I've been studying that. I'm also.
Of course,
Dude, I'm
Mom
watching the
looks
fucking
at the
volume
chart,
here, dude.
bro.
It's like,
What I don't like about it right now is the RSIs.
y'all some fucking animals, dude.
You know what? You want to know what RSI stands for? You want to know what RSI stands for? Because no one tells you what RSI stands for. Retards, stupid idiots.
Retards,
idiots. Yeah, the retard.
Clove is pumping right now. Clove's.
Again?
I'm telling you, Wall Street Bet's gonna run that
coming
thing.
back.
That Wall Street Bet's gonna run that thing. It came
That's
down
why
to the
they
weekly.
dropped it this morning, because Wall Street Bets hopped in it. I cut and then I rebought.
Hopped in what? AMC?
Clove.
Jesus, all the contracts on Clove.
One of I don't know if you guys. I don't know if you guys remember Kyle from like my earlier streaming days, back in February and stuff. We stopped talking or whatever. Anyways, he was talking to my friend Colton, the one that's coming to Vegas with me, and it's really funny because when I was like growing and stuff, I wanted to do a live stream with Kyle. I thought it'd be like super entertaining. Like he went to college and he has a good like education, not like, super good on like stocks and option trading, but like pretty good like sense of knowledge of investing. Like he does actually have good knowledge about it. So it'd have been a good show, and he's like we have really good sense of humor together. So I thought it'd been good. Anyways, got talking, and you know the channel wasn't that big. It was getting big, but it wasn't really there yet. Whenever we stopped talking or whatever, and so anyways, I haven't talked to him in a while, and he's kind of like tried to hit me up here and there, but like he's just like I'm that person. Like I'll hold a grudge, but if you apologize, it's all good. You know what I mean? You just gotta humble yourself.
Wait,
and
why are you holding a grudge?
Because
What
he did some fucked up shit to my dad, and which is that's a whole other story. But anyways, so so he messaged my friend Colton, who just no, this is a person I know. Anyway, I don't think he'd been with me that long. Anyway, so my friend Colton came back. He was like my best friend from high school. He came back from California, and so I've been trying to get him into trading. I gave him like some money and stuff, and then I taken him to Vegas. He's the one I took to the UFC thing. Anyways, so I guess Kyle like hit him up, and he was like, yeah, Tyler's holding a grudge. The money's getting in Tyler's head. And I was like, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? I was like, I was like, what are you talking about? Like, I fucking host free live streams. I demonetize all my shit. I was like, are y'all fucking trolls? I was like,
we gotta buy more pen, Tyler.
What is it at right now? Oh, it's not even dipping. Okay, you scared me.
Buy more. Buy the dip.
But yeah, so I was like, the fuck are you? I was so pissed when my friend told me that, and I was like, I can't blame him. Like he works his 9-to-5 job. Have fun with that. He went to college and they offered him a fucking a banker. They offered him to be a fucking bank clerk. I was like, that's fucking poetic justice. That's what you get for cheating people. I fucking hate liars and I hate cheaters. Well, not like cheaters that cheat on like their wife. That's different. But like that's terrible too. But like totally different. Totally different. But, like
I draw the line there.
But and, like the Astros. Okay, so I know we're gonna talk about cheaters. 'Cause I live in Houston. Like, look, I hated the Astros before they cheated. I was always a diehard. I loved Derek Jeter growing up. He was like my favorite. I loved him. Didn't really like A-Rod, but I like.
How did they cheat again? They cheated like.
It's genius how they cheated,
like
but everyone was doing it.
Like
so
the most
so
insane scheme and like with the trash cans.
So what they would do is, so you know how they have
they
all
were
these
getting people's signals, right?
No, yeah. So you know how there's a camera when you're watching an MLB game. There's a camera that looks at the pitcher behind him, right? And if you look at the camera, you can see how he's holding his. You can see the signal, and you can see how he's holding the ball sometimes, right? But really, you can see the signal from underneath the catcher, what he's signaling. And so they would zoom in, and they had a small camera, and they would signal every time they threw a changeup or I think a fastball. Everything else, they wouldn't say anything. So like they just wouldn't say anything, or it'd be like an off-speed pitch. So you would expect it to slow down, right? And so, but they would only do it at home. That's one thing to know, that they only did it at home, which doesn't make it right. They still cheated. But what the thing that everyone that I hate in the MLB and like in general is that everyone's fucking hypocrites because they all do it. Like the next year, that's why the Red Sox won the championship because they were cheating too with Alex Cora. They were all cheating.
Yeah,
every single.
straight up.
They were all
Straight
cheating.
up.
Dodgers cheated. They were all, like every team was cheating. Like and so it's like I get it. Like Astros, but they were like, they need to revoke the title and give it to the Dodgers. I'm like, y'all are fucking pussies. Y'all lost at home in Game 7 of the World Series, and y'all want the fucking championship?
Yep.
What? I mean, you want me to come down there and wipe your ass? I mean, you lost Game 7 at home. Like, that's embarrassing.
The Lance Armstrong bullshit is the same.
It's the same thing. So if they did the Lance Armstrong, so people think
fucking cyclist is on EPO and steroids and all the fucking
yeah.
stuff.
So if you for the last like 20 years, if you wanted to take a clean winner from the Tour de France, the winner would be like in 14th. It's 14th to 20th places where you would find them every single year.
Yep. Yep.
Which is like insane to think.
So
So
they made him out to be like the worst person ever because all he did with his lie was raise millions for
yeah,
fucking cancer
that's what
research.
that his documentary was really.
Person.
His documentary was great. His
Legend.
documentary was amazing. I loved it. Oh, look at Target pumping. That's hilarious. Someone in the chat goes, "How did y'all?"
I'm up 5%.
Someone in the someone in the
economic moat.
someone in YouTube goes, "How were y'all able to spot Target so quick?" Because I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell y'all.
One of those.
I'm trying to tell y'all. We run the damn market, okay? I don't know how else to say it. Like I don't fucking like, you're gonna take a few losers, but for the most part.
Pen is at 95 cents. Just saying.
I want more. It's fine. I'm not even worried. I'm not even stressed. We're gonna come back from lunch strong. Look at the Nasdaq, boys. Just all you gotta do is slow golf claps. Baby.
Holy Target, yo!
Told you,
dude. It's gonna pop.
I told you.
I told you. Pop. They're gonna follow that candle right there.
Is it good a little bit VHI? I don't VIH. VIH has potential. You're at that 200 EMA as well. I like that. It's actually a good little dip on VIH. Potential squeeze play or whatever the hell you want to talk about. But
was Target lagging? Is that why?
No, I just love the chart. You finally you got above. No, it's not a moat. It is not a moat. Target is outperforming everything. So if you look at their year, like if you're watching the stream, this is their last year, just so you know. Look, you can't even spot where COVID happened because it looks so good. This is Target over the past.
Chip and Joanna.
Over 2 years, it went from 50.
Where that green circle?
Where green circle? Where?
Where COVID happened to the right.
It would be actually. No, this is actually where COVID happened right here.
And yeah, so you can't even fucking spot it.
You can't spot it. It's been on such a straight uptrend. You were at $57 about 2 years ago, and now you're at $255. And it's only yep. It's only gonna keep going up. They're genius. They're genius the way they're doing it. And if you look at their earnings numbers, that's why I was so bullish when they dumped out their earnings. Like, what the fuck, y'all? Who the fuck is selling this shit?
Holy shit, Sport Pump.
What they did is, and it's so smart. So their in-store numbers, they're not really focusing on them right now. They're trying to get them back up, but they're like, that's not their focus. Their focus is online right now, which is growing huge thanks to Instacart and what's that other shopping one? Shipped, I think is the other one. All those are boosting Target's online sales numbers through the roof, like insanity. Crazy. Where I think that could be a problem though is potential fraud, because I don't know if they report those numbers twice via internet and in like in-store sales. That could be a problem. I don't know how that works, but that's really huge. Like their numbers are crazy, like just wild. So, but
they're like more expensive than everybody else too.
But that is people are willing to pay the premium.
Yep. They are. The people who go to Target fucking love Target.
Tyler, like I see that like.
Man, it's hard. It's hard to say. If you get above 245, I think you're gonna run to the monthly again. 246.9. Yeah, oh no, I would sell at the 200 EMA that I keep watching on the 15-minute, which would probably be like 240. Like if it's 246, I'd be out. If I hit that today, I'd be out. I mean, because you're gonna make so much money so quick.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Remember freaking Krispy Kreme? That was one of the best calls that I did not get into. It went from 13 that day all the way to $17. What did you imagine making thousands of dollars on Krispy Kreme? But yeah.
Ooh, good plan.
Yeah, no, Pam. I'm telling you, Pam, I don't even care, baby. I'm gonna be on that plane touching the stars, looking at my pin stock. I'm like, hey, can I get Wi-Fi? I just need to swipe up on my what's it called?
Yo, I land or like
Tender Date.
Trading View.
I land like 20 minutes after market open.
What'd you say, Swimmer?
I'm happy that my pen average is the same as yours. We're down only like 20%.
I don't even care. Yeah, I honestly could give a fuck less. I love it so much. I love it.
Would this be like an inverse?
I don't know about y'all. I'm down 20. I'm down 29% on pen.
Yeah, I'm down about 29%. Yeah, it hurts. Butthole clenched. Yes.
Did it break that 81.90?
No. Nope. It touched. It touched. Yeah, it touched the monthly. Yeah, exactly. Almost. That's awesome.
Nice shit, Styles.
Styles like, call me the EMA wizard.
I know, right? It's just MAs. It's not that hard.
Science.
Yo, Tyler, how are you down on Penn? Didn't you get in at 90 something?
I averaged more in. I bought some earlier. I YOLO'd into that bad boy. But it was really risky. That's why I didn't put it out there. I think of you. I think about you guys. Okay, relax.
So Penn right now is right at resistance. It broke it before though.
It's fine.
Like 11:15.
All you gotta watch all the Nasdaq needs to do is get back above 15.6, and we're golden. Golden.
The
goose.
120 is sitting at 83.08 on Penn. If it breaks it, 83.89.
Shit.
Soy Apple's coming back.
I know. I'm very happy about that.
Low and steady. We're all right. You're in October, aren't you?
Positive vibes only. Positive vibes
No,
only.
I have September. I have 9/17.
No.
October and I have both.
Good vibrations.
I have a lot of September 17th, but I mean, like I said, it's not this week. So.
I still think it hits 160 in October.
Yeah, I have those two. I have basically, I'm up 14% on my 155s, and I'm down my 155s that I'm up 13% on now. And then
Come on, Penn, let's go. What are you doing?
And on my
Freaking rimming me, man.
and then on my 60s, I'm down 12%. So I'm not like I'm just basically, you know. It's getting better.
Yeah, BTU's making that comeback too.
I didn't play it today, did you?
Yeah, but I doubled down when it was around 1820.
Is it I don't know if it's a good entry.
If it takes VWAP, yeah. But
That's what I'm saying. It's not at VWAP, which is why I'm nothing is really at VWAP. Apple is, I'm only down now.
MC is looking good for reversal, in my opinion.
Yeah, it does. I think that was the bottom end. That 80 or that 45.73. I think the bottom's in.
You haven't been touching the weekly lately on AMC. It's weird.
Nah, it's been like
Honestly,
stopping
you
at like
probably do,
random levels.
You probably do really well if you bought some like Apple swings for a couple weeks, 2 or 3 weeks.
Oh,
out.
the new iPhone's coming out. Like, oh yeah, holy crap. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, they have a.
Dude,
Apple has a
I gotta meet the music. Holy shit. Yeah, I forgot.
Aren't
the new
they
iPhone's coming
giving-
out.
They're giving
Apple
like their
has a-
guidance today.
Oh
a
my
live
god.
event
That's gonna go to like
on the 14th
165,
at
dude.
10 a.m.
Yeah, that's gonna be bullish, very bullish. That's gonna be really good. The new I'm buying it the first day it comes out. I've been waiting to get this new iPhone.
Ooh, Target, go off.
You're welcome.
There we go.
You're welcome. We run the market, boys. Target.
I got the 160s for Apple October 15th. Those are moving pretty good. And they hold the value.
Man, the only thing I hate about Penn is this stupid MACD looks so bad. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
It looks terrible on everything. The 1 hour especially.
Yeah.
The 15-minute is cooling off pretty nice. The 4 hour looks absolutely terrifying. Yeah, well, DraftKings. Oh my god. Don't look at don't look at the MACD. Penn's just trying. Like we need full logic out of the window right now. That's all we need. If we can just get rid of all logic, boys, we'll make so much money. That's all we need.
That's what I've been saying.
That's all we need. I don't know what I don't.
Speaking of logic,
I think they're talking about new AirPods too. I thought.
I
The
mean,
third
it's
generation.
going up, yo. It's going up. I don't like. Listen, here's the thing, yo. The 5 minute and the 1 minute. The 5 minute looks like it's gonna go up. The 30 and 1 hour looks god awful. So I think we're chilling. We'll get a pop.
Apple
But I
looks
think
like
it's gonna
it's clear
continue
stepping
coming
back
down.
up, Smash.
Yeah, we're gonna be all right.
Yeah.
Yes.
My calls didn't fire until
Penn is
9:17.
just doing monstrous things.
is trying, man. I'm telling you, it's so hot. We got Thursday night football. No one's thinking about it. America hasn't been the same. We have the Afghanistan stuff. Got Joe Biden as president. This is ridiculous. All this
Dude,
crazy.
it's a scary fucking swing though.
All this non-American bullshit. But guess what's coming back? Football. And then to start, America's team is playing. I don't even like them, but America's team versus Darth Vader himself, Tom Brady. Come on, come on. Like, I mean,
AMC looks so similar to the 24th.
Darth Brady.
Dude, that dude is literally, he kills age. He kills your dreams. There was a GIF, and it was the Anakin and Padme. It was like, what did it say? He goes, "You're gonna retire. I'm gonna retire," and then it was Padme going, "Soon, right?" And it was him being quiet. She goes, "Soon, right?" The rest of the NFL, because he just keeps winning. He's like 40. How old is he? 45, 46? Tom Brady age? Oh my god.
46, I think.
Dude, how is he winning, bro? That doesn't even make sense.
Holy shit.
Dude, if I'm 46 and I'm slinging, he's 44. God.
Off the field too, bro. Off the field, Giselle,
yeah. Did you see him partying with in Tampa Bay after the championship?
Tampa
Bay.
Oh, he was lit.
Yeah,
He
it's
was
not. They're
lit.
changing the name of the town. They're changing the name of the town to Tampa.
Brady Bay.
Yep.
Hey, Tyler, you think BGFV is turning it around here, or?
Yeah, it's the Tampa Bay Gronkaneers.
If you can get above monthly, I'd like it 28.34, but it's not. It's just dipping. Dipping.
The bid and the ask
Right.
is looking pretty good on the target 250s for next week.
Yeah, those are gonna be
Clove's
hot.
You
going
asking?
around, guys. Look at Clove trying to.
Dude, I think support is about a.
Clove is probably one of the strongest Wall Street bet ones that there is. Support doesn't look bad either. I think Clove was the play though. If you're gonna play one, I'm just saying
Support
because
gets rejected on this 180 on the 5-minute like every time. Ever since like it's down.
Nasdaq, come on.
Tested again.
God, jerking me off, and I don't like it.
Clove, and then there is Sport. I don't know.
I'm even at. Come on, feel the
Sport
vibrations.
looks good, actually.
I don't know. I just know I played the gap up this morning, and it was juicy. That paid for my losses. The rest of them.
Man.
Yeah, I played the gap down on Penn today.
I felt good. AMC still doesn't look bad actually. Soft god class for AMC recovery. Someone said PLX. Someone's saying in the chat too.
Oh, I'm in PLX, yo.
No, I'm good.
Hit me with that, yo.
That's the
yo.
thing.
Yeah,
What I was
AMC,
talking
Tyler, to me looks so similar to the 24th. August 24th.
Yeah, we just need to get in the car now. Well, okay.
You dip? Oh no, you did not dip. Maybe kind of. I don't know. It does. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. You know, my cheeks are tight, man. My cheeks are tight right now.
Your cheeks are tight, bro.
Never gonna financially recover.
Oh no.
I'm about to financially recover here in about 30 minutes.
On Penn?
No, AMC.
Predicting AMC runs about 11:17. 11:17 and 26 seconds it should run.
Now you're talking.
Target and Walmart gonna give me these Penn losses back, and then Penn's gonna recover.
But don't worry, guys. I'm not timing the market. Trust me. Just trust me.
Man, Target looks beautiful.
Did you just get off the phone with Bam?
No. He got off the phone with me.
I was gonna say I haven't heard anything about Bam in a minute. It's gotten quiet.
That man's stuck in August, bro. He's like Back to the Future.
Someone in the chat. You got any more of those option, please?
No, dude. Bam has the fucking sports almanac, dude.
He's still stuck on the 34th or the
side of their
38th,
face,
right?
Tyler.
That's what it is, bro.
What's
Bam
up?
has the fucking sports almanac.
While they're scratching the side of their face.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Got any more options, please?
I love Pin, man.
And VST's moving again.
Yeah, those contracts kind of puked for a second. I like left and the page and came back and they were down like 7 cents.
What's up, Mom?
This Clove looks like it wants to move again.
Ripples.
Oh yeah. Clove looks good. It's sitting on the 200. If it holds here, which it looks like it's going to, this would be a good dip buy.
Alright, guys, I'm hopping off YouTube stream. Love you long time.
97 cents. Ugh.